Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Xquisite Floral Design and Events. And today we are going to create an inexpensive floral spray that you can do by getting flowers from, I think everything you could probably get from like Trader Joe's. The only thing that you may not be able to is the palm, but we can always remedy that with just lemon leaf. So we're going to take a floral foam and the floral cage, and my website should be up shortly. I was supposed to get a grant, and then I missed one class, and now they don't want to give me my money. So we'll see. But anyway, you'll be able to get this cage and as well as this floral foam from there. And then all you're going to do is with this one, you're just going to close it up, secure the sides, clip them in. My floral foam is not wet, so we are going to go and wet it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We're just gonna put it on this hook, and then we're gonna go from the easel, and we're gonna go from there. I know somebody, one of my florists, is gonna be like, why didn't you wet the foam first before you put it in the cage? It doesn't matter, just as long as it's slip in there. It's almost like if it was in an osmosis cage that's already constructed and you wet the foam. As long as you just submerge it in a bucket of water, let it float down to absorb all the water, you're good to go. Okay? So you can do it either or. So that's my excuse for anybody who has the same, why did I put it in the cage before I wet it? Okay, anyway, so first we're gonna start with making our shape. So as you can see the picture, we're going to use emerald palms in order to create our shape, okay? So I'm just gonna take my emerald palm. I want it to be about probably this high. So I'm gonna cut right here, remove off my strips, and go to the back, and we're gonna go from there, okay? And then that is going to be our guide. So I'm just gonna take, probably cut, pull it off, and I'll put the bottom one on, and that's our guide. Now, we're gonna do from the side, measure it right there, pull that off, and then go in right there. Again, the same, I kind of measure to see how much I need, cut it a little bit further, pull off my lovely pieces. Be careful with these because they do kind of, the stem does kind of break. So we're going to do that all the way around, and then I'm going to speed it up and come back to you guys, okay? All right, so now we have our, what would you call, our frame or our shape going on. Now we're just gonna take some lemon leaf. I kind of cut them all and prep for this part, but just, you know, what is about an inch, and just go ahead and fill in all the way around. Okay, so now we have our greenery shape. Now we're just gonna go in and fill in with this order. It included light pink carnations, white sprayed chrysanthemums, and pastel peach with accent with a pink ribbon on an easel. And it included one banner. So let's go ahead. What we're gonna do now is I start off with the focal flower, and our focal flower will be the peach. we'll start off. Let's get our roses nice and start off with our first focal flower. And all I basically do is kind of go with my shape. These are so fresh. I purchased them this morning, so they do not want to bloom for me. But it is what it is. I done made so many holes right there. Being lazy. And that's not good too, to put so many holes in here, because the flowers won't, they'll move once they move in at the location. So don't make that mistake. So I did look at the recipe on here. I'm not good at looking at recipes. Because I like to just go, you can look at the recipe, but I'll let you know what the recipe is. I didn't, like I said, I didn't look at it. But, ooh, look how pretty that one bloomed. Oh my gosh. This one right here. This one bloomed so pretty. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous? I wouldn't have wanted that low in, but like I said, it's a weed. So I put in, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 peach roses. And then we're gonna go with our second focal flower. And that's gonna be our carnations. And I'll probably put about 11 carnations. I don't know if you guys can see, I need some lemon leaf right there. But let's go in with let's step back. Let's look at our arrangement. It's looking good. I do see a little bit of off bounce right here, but let's go in with okay, now we're going to come in. So we have our, these I think are called Shimmer Peach Roses. We have our pink carnations. We use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. We need one more. Usually, you really can't, I can't really count the 10, but sometimes, oh no, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, it's 10. We need this somewhere. We'll put it right there. Now let's go in with our mums. And we're just gonna go in with these in spots that we see holes. And so this is one stem of the cushion mums, or the spray cushion mums. So all I really do is just it just depends. I know a lot of times you guys ask how many. I can't really tell you how many are in it, as you can see, but we just go ahead and put it in there. Like it's not pointing forward. And we need right here. All right, you guys see, I see a blank spot right here. That's all a blank spot. I'm going to add in that blank spot, and Did we get everything? Yep, I think we did. I see an unbalance. I see a blank spot right here. I'm just going to take this one carnation that I do have. Just put it into that blank spot right there. We're hiding this one. But okay, do we see any more blank spots? All right, so that's basically the main legit of everything. I'm gonna redo this one because it bent. All right. Let's make a little mess with it. And that is the legit of everything. I just would basically kind of look around and see if you need to do anything else, and we'll go on from there. So I end up cutting the emerald palms shorter and adding a few more flowers, and this is the end result. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.